This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the GME bad actors are slowing down on the manipulation. I believe, and this is just my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I believe they're creating fake sell orders in order to push the price down because nobody's actually selling any real GME shares, okay? The price is going down and the volume is going down because the bad actors see that nobody's selling, so they're creating their own sell orders in order to manipulate the price down, and they're spoofing these sell orders because these sell orders are not going through. They're spoofing the sell orders in order to manipulate the algos. I mean, that's really the bottom line. That's just my opinion, but that is what's happening. But they see what we see. The SEC sees, the DOJ sees, the FBI sees, FINRA sees, the DTCC sees, but they do absolutely nothing. And it goes back to the fact that these bad actors can do what they want with no real repercussions. So even if they get caught with their hand in the cookie jar, there will only be petty fines and nobody will lose their license to trade. So they have no incentive whatsoever to follow the law. The only saving grace, in my opinion, when it comes to GME, is the fact that GME is sitting on $4.8 billion, that they have Ryan Cohen as a CEO, and I believe any day, but more than likely, and this is just my opinion, after the election, he's going to make a big announcement that's going to kill these bad actors. He's going to give them some nightmares, in my opinion. Okay? But anyway, here are the numbers that they're reporting for GME. The volume, 4,747,280. They're still claiming 26.78% of those shares are DRS. But they can put out whatever numbers they want. It's not like we have regulatory agencies that make them put out the correct data. Calls in the money, 6,154. At $30, they're claiming 56,230 calls in the money. If this was a fair and transparent market, we would be talking about gamma squeezes and things like that. But until they run out of liquidity, until the SEC decides to enforce the rules of the market, or a judge orders them to turn over that trading history of GME, they will continue doing this every day. 37.6% of that volume was shorted shares. So somehow they found 1,800,000 shares to short into the market and manipulate the price of GME. I believe the real number is a whole lot higher based on what I'm looking at, when I'm seeing the cost to borrow and things like that. I believe that it's a whole lot higher than 1.8 million. But will the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI, FINRA ask them where did those shares originate? Of course not, because nobody cares that shares appear out of thin air every day like a magic trick, and nobody sees anything that warrants an investigation. And they're claiming they can cover all their GME short positions in 7.49 trading days. If they could have done it in 7.49 trading days, they would have done it and exited the play. But they know once they start to cover in any type of volume, the price is going through the roof, and they're going to be running to bankruptcy court or to Congress looking for a bailout. But the thing is, the government money is not that good either. So there will be no more bailouts to get, in my opinion. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that if GME runs, will the government have money to bail out these criminals? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.